All right, that's with the valves closed.
We're going to open up the MVP muffler valves with the remote control.
And then go ahead and hit the cutouts.
Rev it up here.
Cutouts.